Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today is once again time for the collab with Ambrosia's Dollhouse, Irene's Doll Space, and Gosha's Dolls, Trolls, and more. And this is a challenge that we put out to everybody to bring out your boys, your boy dolls. So this month is golf, and I thought, who would like to play? So I just put a shout out in the house because I have some small frisbees. And this guy showed up in his proper concert clothes, but hey, that's fine. He brought his own frisbee. This is frisbee golf, and Darren and I used to play quite often in Spearfish, South Dakota, and other courses. And I had a bunch of frisbees, but I lost them, and I don't even know if I can throw these anymore. Let's see if I can hit that basket. Probably not. I used a driver, another driver, since I'm not holding it right. Look at this putter, isn't that cute? I really like it. I had really cool ones. I had German Shepherds with our kennel name on it. I had some Glocks. I had, oh gosh, I had a lot of personal frisbee, golf frisbees, but I don't know where they are. Oh! Well, there you go. And then you have these little ones that are markers, and you go out and you mark the furthest one away and you start putting them in. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.